Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study math effectively. First, focus on understanding the fundamental concepts rather than just memorizing formulas. This foundational knowledge is crucial for solving diverse problems. Next, engage in consistent practice, working through many different types of exercises. Finally, always review your errors thoroughly to pinpoint where your understanding might be weak. To truly master math, active learning is key. Try solving problems aloud, explaining each step as if you are teaching it. This process reveals gaps in your knowledge. Furthermore, consider teaching a concept to a friend or family member. If you can explain it clearly, you likely understand it well. Don't forget to use flashcards for quick recall of definitions and important theorems. Consistent practice is non-negotiable for math success. Dedicate time to working through all textbook examples and end-of-chapter questions. Once comfortable, challenge yourself with past exam papers, simulating actual test conditions. If you encounter a problem that truly stumps you, do not hesitate to ask your teacher or a knowledgeable peer for assistance. As your exam approaches, a structured review is essential. Develop a realistic study schedule, allocating specific times for math. Condense important topics and formulas onto a concise cheat sheet for quick reference during your final review. Most importantly, ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep the night before the exam for optimal mental clarity and performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.